This is murder. 40 ounces. Look, read it. 40 dot an ounce. Oh, Oz. Dot.
Yeah, dude, this video will be played at your funeral. You know.
40 dot Oz dot. Okay? 40 dot Oz dot. Alright,
Can you tell he's already been drinking?
I'm not even Christian, dude, but fucking cross my I'm so scared, man. I really am. I'm so scared. Oh. Wait, go get John. John!
No, dude, he's asleep, dude.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where are my cigarettes?
This is gonna be a long ass video.
God damn it, where are my cigarettes at?
Well, he's left. Oh, there he goes. He'll do it eventually. Come on.
My fucking cigarettes. You're holding the phone upside down.
So?
Like a fucking pregnant woman right now, dude. I'm so scared. You have no idea.
Every right to be.
See, I wouldn't be scared if I had like an actual size tube or something like that, you know? It's like fucking bendy straw, dude. I'm gonna be sitting on this shit for a long time. Okay, here we go. Ready? Still going?
Yep, still going.
Yep.
Fucking 3 minutes in. Here it goes. No fucking way. No fucking way. That just fucking happened. And there goes some foam. Oh, but he earned it. Oh, yes. That was fucking epic. You want to say something to the camera before I quit recording?
Obama for president.
Woo!